This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
You are appearing? Who is for the board? Where is she?
She is engaged in courtroom number 18.
Ask her to come. And who is for the School Service Commission?
School Service Commission.
You are there. Yes, tell us what is the matter.
I have come against the refusal to pass an interim order. As you kindly see the order passed by the learned signature.
Yes.
I am the headmaster of Gardenji Pesi Mill High School, Kolkata. My lord, the page 44. My lord, the complaint was lodged by some of the teachers and member of the managing committee against me for defalcation of school fund. Some money, headmasters, my lord, collected the money from the student. And all the allegations, my lord, based on, my lord, the investigation and DI, this is the report. My lord, I have not challenged this inquiry or investigation report or any proceedings or against me. Disciplinary proceedings, any punishment. I have come, my lord, you will also kindly see page 46. Page 46, you will also kindly see. Board, my lord, instead of any disciplinary proceeding.
Now, what happened to that money?
Yes, my lord.
Money amount, what happened?
That is, my lord, DI has collected that amount.
Collected the amount?
I have no idea. DI has collected everything. DI has seized all documents and money which are lying in the Almirah, and my lord, that is the report of the DI also.
Where is that shown? Where is that he has seized the money?
Yes.
Bottom of the paragraph. Bottom of the managing 44 page below DI report. Bottom of the paragraph.
Yes, place it. As per statement of headmaster, this amount was in the form of hard cash. In office room. Now, what happened to that money?
No amount has been seized.
Yes. DI has, my lord, DI has seized and taken money, all these things.
Where is that?
That has been the report, my lord. DI has, my lord, collected the seize. DI has, my lord, seized all the documents. I am not coming.
No, I am not saying documents. This cash amount.
Yes, also, my lord, the DI has taken money.
Where have you stated that in your petition?
And claimed he took initiative to deposit the same to the bank on 25th June to 2025. Headmaster agreed that he usually takes the practical classes and take classes with classes.
Development account as per the instruction of the DI. The second paragraph, my lord, kindly look into the
second
report.
Paragraph
of the report, my lord.
Where is that? Agreed to submit in the bank account of school and ultimately submit a post.
Yes, my lord. I have the instruction that it has been deposited to the development account.
So that is wrong. His statement is wrong.
No, my lord. So that's why, my lord.
His deposit submitted in the school account. Yes. Now, what is your case?
Now, the next page 46, the board issued this letter addressed to the Commissioner of School Education to transfer me to Adarsha Madhyamik Vidyalaya.
Yes.
This has been, my lord, instead of any proceedings, transfer order has been issued against me. Now, next page 46, Deputy Secretary of the School Education Department recommended me for transfer to somewhere. Instead of, my lord, the Adarsha Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Sukhchar Kedarnath Poddar High School, Barakpur. I don't know, my lord, the board issued a letter to transfer me to Adarsh Madhyamik. Deputy Secretary issued this letter to transfer Sukhchar Kedarnath High Schools. My lord, on the basis of that, School Service Commission recommended me for transfer. I have challenged this. Instead of initiating proceedings, my lord, I have been transferred by way of punishment. Till date, no proceeding has been initiated. That is why, relying on Supreme Court judgments, my lord, you cannot transfer me by way of punishment. You can let them initiate proceedings, let them suspend me.
Other than this money aspect, it also appears from page 44 that you were reluctant to take classes.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I had the routine.
That
You see the second paragraph, the second last line. So your credentials as a teacher also are under question.
that is wrong, my lord. Let them, my lord, investigate this matter. Let them initiate proceedings. Entirely wrong. They cannot transfer me by way of punishment without any proceedings.
Why you are saying punishment?
Yes.
What is the punishment? Your lordship, kindly see. This is on the basis of the report, my lord, they issued this recommendation.
That
Your
is
lordship,
page
kindly see page 46.
Yes.
Page 46. In reference to the subject mentioned above, please enclose a photocopy of the memo dated 18 July 2020-25.
You are transferred to Adorsho.
Adorsho.
Now next page,
Transfer
the modification order transferring you to Shukekar Kedar.
Sukhchar Kedarnath.
Kedar. Very good. Then
On
what
the
happened?
basis of that, my lord, the School Service Commission issued recommendation letter. Sukhchar Kedarnath both the high schools. I can accept, my lord, the others apart from the, my lord, the proceedings, apart from the Supreme Court decision. I am relying, my lord, I can accept, my lord, the others. But I have been transferred to, my lord, the 32 kilometers away from my residence. Barakpur.
So you are agreeable to join at Adorsho. So then your challenge fails.
No, I have challenged this transfer order on the in lieu of that's true, my lord. I can, my lord, accept. I can accept apart from the legal positions, my lord, the legal.
No, Mr. Jana, then you are not challenging transfer. You are saying, yes, you transfer me. But when you have transferred me to X.
That is the approach before your lordships. If I can accept. I have not pleaded that this transfer order is legally, my lord, valid. I have accepted before your lordship, I can accept. But
then what happened?
Then, my lord, the board, based on recommendation, board issued and, my lord, the transfer order. Now the school, my lord, during vacation, this is also contrary to law. During vacation, they cannot, my lord, call a meeting. 11th September, my lord, they call a meeting for releasing me.
11th September.
That is, my lord, 11th October.
11th October. Thereafter, what is page 49?
Page 49, my lord, that is recommendation, my lord, 48. Board issued a notification requesting me to collect the transfer order, but on 25th September 2025, I received that at 5 p.m. and 26th, my lord, although my lord, the state government declared holiday and also, my lord, due to heavy rain, my lord, the entire Calcutta, my lord, suffers, my lord, the flood, and 26, 27, all holiday has been declared by the state government. So that I cannot collect the transfer order. They have sent, my lord, page 49 through mail. Page 49. That is why, my lord, immediately after that, my lord, I moved a petition.
What is your challenge?
Challenging, my lord, the transfer order cannot be issued on this way.
There are two transfer orders. One.
Not transfer, my lord. This is the board recommended. Board proposed to transfer me.
Board
to
now.
Adarsh. 46. Board proposed.
Board.
Yes, secretary of the board.
DI.
No, page 46.
Page 45.
46. And in terms of the DI's investigation report.
Yes, then what is the wrong?
DI has forwarded to
Mr.
board.
Ms. Bhattacharya, we will hear you. Don't interrupt in the meantime. It becomes difficult for us. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Yes.
I submit before your lordships this proposal for transfer to either Adarsh or Sukhchar. This transfer order cannot be issued On the allegations, whether allegations false or fictitious, or let them initiate proceedings, let them suspend me, let them punish me. Without any proceedings, I have been transferred. That is the, my lord, there is a judgment of this Honorable Supreme Court also I can rely, that on this way, they cannot transfer.
The first transfer order was on the basis of recommendation of DI.
DI.
Now the second transfer order is in exercise of 10C.
10C, that I have,
What does 10C say?
that is I have annexed, my lord, the 10C on administrative reason. What is the reasons? My lord, from the, my lord, the
May
first,
direct the commission through guidelines or general instruction. 10C says, notwithstanding anything, in the interest of education or interest of public service for administrative reasons, may direct the commission through guidelines or general instruction. What is this through guidelines or general instruction?
page 51, my lord, I have annexed
Is there
that.
any such guideline or general instruction? Is there any such guideline or general instruction? Yeah. Yes. So, under 10C, is there any guideline?
No, that is the, under section 10C, there is no guidelines, but the 10C, I have annexed the provisions.
Yes, that says that you can be transferred
On administrative
anything.
reasons.
Notwithstanding anything, you can be transferred, but through guidelines or general instruction.
No, there is no guideline as yet, my lord, till date, no guideline has been issued.
Yes, you are sure.
Yes, my lord, 100%. My lord, the 10C was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court confirmed that. This was challenged before this court, my lord, up to Supreme Court, 10C.
What was challenged?
10C. Ultimately, Supreme Court declared this is intra-virus.
This is intra-virus, yes.
That is true, but the no guideline has yet been issued.
So your contention is the first you were recommended in terms of Rule 5 of the conduct rules.
Conduct rule. That
By
is
which the board forwarded it to the DI for a preliminary investigation. Rule 5 though.
Rule 5.
So DI investigated and said cash in hand issue and you are not taking classes. On that ground, DI recommended that you do the needful. Did the DI say that transferred him?
Yes.
For the interest of academic.
DI said transfer him to Adarsha.
And also to initiate proceeding, both.
Transfer him to Adarsha. DI also said.
So what is all right? What is your contention?
My contention is also on the basis of recommendation board issues. So my lord, board has no separate role to play in this matter because board has received recommendation from the School Service Commission. On basis of that, board has issued the transfer order.
No. You come to your order, last order of 25th September.
46.
No, my lord, this is as DI has forwarded the report to the board. So board has, because board cannot issue or recommend for any transfer, so board has forwarded it to the Commissioner of School Education for the report of the DI to the Commissioner of School Education.
No, this is the, you have forwarded it to the
Commissioner of School Education. Commissioner of School
Now
Education.
come to that order, page 49.
46.
What does it say?
46. 49.
You are saying here that commission has forwarded their recommendation for transfer following such and such in pursuance of direction received from the government, such and such. Now you are adding for rationalization of subject teachers in terms of notification. Why you are referring to this? This is not an issue of rationalization.
No.
This is an allegation of fund distribution and not taking classes. On the basis of that, you can initiate disciplinary proceeding. But his contention is on that ground. How can you, once an exercise power has been exercised, how now you can take the advantage of 10C?
Well, 10C advantage I am not taking. 10C advantage is taken by the state government.
Right, state government.
Yes.
So what was the up to the issuance of, because up when page 40, page 48,
Page 46A, your lordship, the recommendation came from the Commissioner of School Education, Government of Education Department.
No, that is all right. Now come to page 46A.
Yes.
16th September, state government.
Yes.
State government is now saying in the interest of education and under section 10C you do it. Then there was already, you are saying there was a recommendation for this power has been exercised by DI at page 45 is in terms of rule 5, I think. Rule 5 of your,
Rule 5, my lord. Rule 5, board has asked to hold a preliminary inquiry.
right.
Report came, two parts of the report. One, it is found initiate proceeding, and the other part recommended for transfer. So, my lord, whether DI can recommend, my lord, in that.
How did DI in preliminary investigation report say jurisdiction of DI is limited? He can recommend for a proceeding, but he is asking to transfer him also.
So that my learned friend will.
We are asking you.
No, my lord, if
Doing with this sort of matters, we want to know from you.
no, my lord, if DI finds that for presence of this particular person, the environment of the school or the functioning of the school is hampered, so my lord, DI may, because 10C is the power of the state government, education department to transfer a person for administrative reason.
So, how can administrative reason be a ground when the DI has said that the reason is that fund was not returned and he is not attending classes?
He is not performing his duty.
So, for these two reasons, the DI can recommend initiation of proceeding.
Not sure.
But can he say that you transfer him?
No, well, DI can recommend for transfer to
Where-
the
where-
Commissioner of School Education. No, well, at
Where is that provision?
no,
shown?
there is no provision. My lord, what my understanding is, because at the ground level, it is the DI who looks after the day-to-day functioning of the school. So, my lord, when this 10C provision is there, where it says that for the interest of the education, a person can be transferred to another place. So, my lord, who will decide? But first, knowledge is with the DI. If this particular school is there is difficulty in the school, maybe for this particular person, or there is lack of student or lack of teacher, whatever may be. So the first knowledge is with the DI. So my lord, the DI after that knowledge recommends before the Commissioner of School Education maybe to transfer a particular person from here to there. or to bring any other person from
There
other
is
school
no
here to
such
there.
provision. That is why in page 49, you refer to rationalization of teachers.
Look, this is DI to answer, man.
No, page
My lord,
49.
no.
Page 49,
Lordship.
you are saying I am acting on the recommendation of the commission, which was issued on the basis of 10C by the government. Now you are adding a reason for rationalization of subject teachers.
My lord, what I understand, my lord, this is a pro forma. It has been given. Because my lord, there is other pro forma also where there is written 10C. There are a lot of transferred by issued by the board where this 10C under 10C is written. So my lord, there were two things in between your lordship. This rationalization was also taken up by the government. So it has been gone by the pro forma only.
Yes, Mr. What do you say?
On the basis of the complaint, my lord, DI has passed this order and to my lord.
Now you tell us transfer was in exercise of 10C or it was in exercise of DI recommendation.
10C, my lord.
If it is 10C, Mr. Mukherjee, then in that case, he should have considered that there is already a recommendation and the transfer was directed. This page 46, this was the order issued by the board on the recommendation of DI.
10C কথাটা লিখলই না কি বলবি বল They're under challenge, your lordship, the impugned order. Here, my lord, the matter was moved before the vacation bench, and his lordship directed the matter to appear before regular bench.
Refusing the interim order.
Regular bench.
So that against that refusal, he has come. You give us the instruction that he is willing to go to Adorsho.
That what my lord, I have to take instruction.
If he is ultimately willing to go to Adorsho, we will not enter into the merits of the matter. Enough. If you have sent him to another place, Shukchar.
My lord.
So the school authorities are managing committee is aggrieved by his actions. So managing committee made their submissions before DI. DI said, all right, it is a wrong done. Proceeding should be initiated. And for academic interest, you transfer him to Adorsho. So if you transfer him to Adorsho, no problem. We will accept the order of transfer. Now you are saying, during existence of a transfer order, during existence of what was the necessity for transfer? Academic interest. So when academic interest is there and you have transferred, then you transfer him to that school. Why you are again exercising 10C? If you exercise 10C, then again there may be a problem.
On behalf of managing committee. This institution was built by Aditya Birla Group for the purpose of the education of the downtrodden children, those who are from the labor class. And there maximum people are from minority side.
No, if do you have any objection if he is transferred to Adorsho?
My lord, previously I would like to place what is the actual fact, my lord.
We are not going into
the
the
routine itself. He did not take any class. That is the routine.
We are not on that. We cannot proceed on the disciplinary front.
No, they told that we have taken that resolution by dehorse the law, but managing committee rules.
Sir, we are not interfering.
I have taken dehorse the law. He told.
We are not interfering with that decision. We are only wanting to know that for the academic, you want him to be out of the school. Very good. You want him to be out of the school. So when the initial order was issued by the board, by the yes, in terms of the recommendation of DI, board said that transfer him to Adorsho. Now commission thereafter this order came that no, don't transfer him to Adorsho in terms of 10C, transfer him to another school. This is the third school.
Well, I have to take instruction next week.
46A.
He accepts our proposal for Adorsho.
Maybe, my lord.
He does not accept the proposal. He says, I am challenging. I am challenging, but kindly see that if your intent is that I should not remain in that school, in terms of their DI recommendation, place me in Adorsho. Because DI said in Adorsho, the student ratio and the in considering that issue, it has been done. So, bolo kobe asbe with this instruction?
Next week, bolo.
এখন he is working, or you have not?
No, my lord, the 25th, last Saturday, my lord, the president with 100 people gharao the headmaster, snatch, my lord, the keys, almirah, everything, all, my lord, the registered attendance, and he is not allowed. My lord, the papers, guardianry, school পরিচালনা committee, সদস্য হাতে ঘেরাও প্রধান শিক্ষক. My lord, now the, my lord, the
that is purpose.
This is the, my lord, the actually, my lord, the one, my lord, the assistant teacher for
difficulties, my lord, but perhaps, my lord, except 10C, there is no other, my lord, procedure for transferring the, my lord, teacher on such.
Very good. Then the DI recommendation
Now,
fails.
yes,
That was government understood that.
DI's recommendation is not the ultimate recommendation. My lord, DI has, my lord, only suggested or proposed.
Right, that has been accepted. Board on the basis of that said go send him to Adorsho. Now the deputy secretary comes and says that no, 10C I am applying, transfer.
No, what I am on, my lord, if the only provision is 10C, my lord, there is no, my lord, the provision for choosing the school by the, my lord, incumbent.
Where he is choosing.
No, my lord, he is whatever he is, my lord, I am ready to go to Adorsho, but not to
DI তো প্রথমে আদর্শই বলেছিল।
Adorsho was suggested by the DI.
Yes, but later on, my lord, that was not followed.
No, on our query he said that you send me to Adorsho.
But my lord, finally the commissioner of school education, my lord, recommended this Sukchar school to the commission to
argue on merit. We are ready to go on the merit, and if we can solve the problem by transferring him to Adorsho, which will serve the purpose of the school also, you come with that instruction from the state government.
One more thing I would like to draw attention, my lord. They have sent the mail to their client, and they told that
yes, release order. Release order has been sent.
You can understand what is your problem. No, will not be there in
we
this.
did not get copy of the writ petition, my lord. They have
Yes, I had copy. He appeared before the single mail.
Yeah, because by seeing that WhatsApp instruction he has given, my lord, they did not.
You have got no order has been passed by us. Now you have got. We are asking you that whether you want to give any spanner on the wheel, it is transferred to others. Finished.
We do not have problem.
So ascertain it, we keep it to be mentioned. To be mentioned on Monday.
And my lord, in the meantime, my lord, last, my lord, Monday, Tuesday, only till day, my lord, I out of, my lord, the school.
Don't go to school.
No, my lord,
We are fixing it on that date.
that's true. Your lordship, my lord,
What he will say that he should be.
allow me to, my lord, resume my duty.
Shoot the released order, my lord.
No, allow me, my lord, to.
Tuesday.
In the meantime, allow me to resume my duty on the
Teacher has been appointed.
present school. Kindly allow me to resume my duty. What is their problem? I don't know.
New headmaster appointed.
Yes.
You headmaster.
দেখি
Teacher in charge. That is the problem. He is creating all these things.
No, my lord.
আরে সেই ঝগড়া করো না চলো
He is the teacher in charge.
That's been siphoned, my lord.
How?
to online
That is the role of that teacher.
তুমি দেবে তো 6 তারিখ
You want particularly that?
না তা তুমি কত বলছো মঙ্গলবার বলছো
Saturday school was reopened. Within 48 hours, my lord, the teacher in charge has been appointed.
হবে তোমার কি করবে?
When there is a dual relationship to transfer, they have given the undertaking that anytime the employer can transfer the employee, then how he can deny that I will not take the transfer. It is an employment issue.
are you transferring him?
No, my lord. I
Then
have the copy.
Are you transferring him?
No.
What is your allegation against him? He has
Against him,
robbed the money and he is not attending the classes.
Bad behavior and midday meal siphon.
So better don't open your mouth too wide.
yes
Apparently, when it seems whatever may be that we are not interfering with any disciplinary proceeding. For one fault, you cannot penalize twice. So we are asking that if the DI is agreeable to this, very good.
4 তারিখ বললো না
তুমি
To you,
Yes.
managing committee is against you, Mr. Jana.
Managing committee, not managing committee. Well, the only
When
one.
we finally hear you argue, whatever you argue, we pass our final order. When you are not inclined to wait for that reason. Your interim order was received, was refused in the vacation bench.
During Puja vacation,
And you
school was reopened on the Saturday, 25th.
Yes. Come on, bench. To be benched.
6th. My lord, one humble my lord, the submissions. My lord, kindly my lord, make it part. Otherwise, my lord, your losses, my lord, that is will be very well. That will be create problem. Yes. That my lord, in the corridor. That
in WhatsApp this
kindly,
this will
my lord, that will be created.
আরে মোশন স্টেজে কেউ পাঠাট করে?
Only to take instruction, your losses, my lord, is.
And then do we record, Mr. Jana, that you are ready and willing to go to that school? We are not recording that because ultimately if
Yes.
your challenge we uphold, then that statement in the record will be contrary to your argument. We cannot decide on the merit of the matter.
Your lordship, my lord, the record that the